Hi everyone, thanks for joining. Today I'm going to be making a facial bar out of the goat's milk melt and pour base from Crafter's Choice, and I'm going to be including some key ingredients like activated charcoal and French green clay. Since this is a facial bar, I wanted to include tea tree oil, and I also use this fragrance oil. I combined the two equally 50%. to give me a total of 1 tablespoon per pound for the fragrance oils, and then I mixed them with my French green clay, which is right here, which I did a half a tablespoon. And then for my activated charcoal, I also did a half a tablespoon and mixed it with the fragrance oils as well. Once I was done measuring everything out, I went ahead and split the pound of goat's milk based soap up into 2 pitchers and melted that down in the microwave at 15-second bursts until it was melted completely. And then I went ahead and added my additives, the activated charcoal and the French green clay mixture. Part of the reason that I didn't do with the fragrance oil that I forgot to mention earlier, I didn't do 100% fragrance oil or tea tree oil is because I didn't want either one of those things to overpower each other on the facial bar, and I didn't want it to smell super medicinal, so I did choose to complement the tea tree oil with the fragrance oil, and it is helpful, and the fragrances will blend together a little bit better if you do let them sit in a container for a while together so that the fragrances can combine. So sometimes I will measure them out and just leave them in a glass container for like an hour or two so that they have time to bond with each other. You do want to make sure you're putting them in a glass container though, because some fragrance oils and possibly even the tea tree oil can eat through plastic if it sits too long. Since this is one of the first times that I've made this soap this way, I went ahead and just kind of had fun with it. I couldn't decide which orientation I would like the soap, if I wanted square bars or smaller shapes, which these are little sunflower ones that I got on clearance, and I thought they might be easier to hold in your hand. So we'll see how they turn out and see which one I like better, but I have a feeling I'm going to like the smaller bar better. So let's talk about some of the ingredients that we're adding today. So the French green clay is something that you use in a lot of beauty products. It's used to draw out impurities and toxins from your skin. So it can also tone and firm your skin while stimulating circulation. It's used to tighten pores, exfoliate dead skin, remove and soothe your complexion. So it can help heal any blemishes. The next key ingredient I'm using today is activated charcoal, and if you're unfamiliar with it, it's just really good for your skin as far as pulling out impurities into your skin. It's a good detoxer. It gets rid of blackheads, and it also has like a natural exfoliator as well, and it's used in a lot of acne or facial type soap bars or products. It also has a lot of minerals that help purify your skin as well, so I was thinking these two would work well together. So I'm just adding those to a pound of melted down goat's milk soap. Part of the reason I chose a goat's milk soap for this facial bar is because it's a gentle cleanser on the skin as compared to some other soaps that you might make. It's a little bit better for people who have sensitive skin, and since we're putting this on the face and most people have slightly more sensitive skin on their face, I thought it would be good. It's also rich in nutrients, so they put a lot of nutrients back into your skin as well. Also, goat's milk soap is said to help people that have psoriasis or eczema, and it can or may help prevent acne with certain people's skin type. The last ingredient that I want to highlight in the soap is the tea tree oil, and I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with it, but it is thought to reduce redness, swelling, and inflammation on the skin. It can help again with reducing acne scars and clear and balance out your skin. So that's why I chose all these ingredients for a facial bar.